why do we want to do targeted intervention? I mean, why don't we just do intervention with everyone? Make sure they all got it. Well, because first, I'll tell you, middle schools are intervention schools. When you go, that's just the bottom line. I know, I've done elementary too. Elementary, you got these kids 8-9 hours a day. You can have your instructional assistants in there. You can maybe break them up into groups. You know, they're really good. Parents are really good at saying, oh yeah, my kid will stay for tutoring because, you know, they can't pick them up for another hour and a half. So all of a sudden you get all these kids staying for tutoring in elementary. In middle school, it's different. Try to get a kid to stay after school for tutoring in middle school. It is not happening. They're like, I got sports over here. I'm going to play basketball over here. I'm going to go to my friend's house over here. They got things to do after school. So middle schools really are intervention schools. They're not just middle schools. And the interventions piece needs to occur within the school day. Because if it's not happening during the school day, it's not going to happen. You can't trust that they're going to do their homework and come back. It's just not happening. So with that in mind, we had to change the way we thought. We had to make sure that interventions were happening during the school day. So now we have, back to the scenario with these kids that did not understand it. These students that we push in, that we work with, that we do the intervention piece with, we're with them until they understand that standard. And it usually only takes a day or two. Usually it's just clarification on something that needs to be clarified, and then they can exit out. Our groupings and our interventions are fluid. We don't sit there and go, okay, you know, all of these kids are nearly Mets. We're gonna do the intervention piece for all these kids for the rest of the school year. Because those kids are going to exit out. And it does take a lot of work. It does take a lot of paperwork, a lot of tracking, but you want to be able to get the kids that don't understand that specific skill at that time and provide intervention for them so they can exit out real quickly, and then you'll have another group on the next standard that don't understand it. And it could very well be a completely different set of kids. So your interventions have to be laser focused and purposeful.